Hello, and welcome to another edition of Almost an Expert. I'm your host, Todd Detwiler, and today we're talking about Dark and Stormies. It's a fun summertime drink that I've always enjoyed. To do this, you're going to need a couple of things. We're going to need black rum, and we're going to need ginger beer. When I first started thinking about Dark and Stormies, when I hear the word Dark and Stormy, I think of a couple things. One, I think of Snoopy on his doghouse, writing the great American novel with his typewriter, and he sits there and he types out, "It was a dark and stormy night." The other thing I think about is this drink. But I mentioned it to some of my colleagues at Popular Science, and they had quite a different take on it. They started talking about dark flow and dark energy and dark matter. And these were all very interesting, but dark matter probably struck a chord with me the most. Whenever scientists and astronomers, physicists look up at the skies, they can account for the amount of energy that is there. And they can see that, they can actually see that there's so much energy in the sky, and it's a massive amount of energy, but they can only attribute that to so much matter that they see. It's a very small percentage. So the rest of the energy that is in the sky and in the universe, they just call dark matter. Dark not because it's the opposite of light, dark because they just don't know what else to call it. And I really wish they would call it something. That way it could be a better name than dark matter, but dark matter just means that it's the energy that the matter that they know is in the sky, because they can see the energy that is given off, but they don't know what it is. It's a good thing to think about the next time you're sipping a dark and stormy on your porch, looking up at the night sky in the summer. Until then, I'm almost an expert. Yeah, that's about right.